So we wanted to show you the little bit of maintenance that needs to be done on the Handyman press. There are several places that need to be lubricated regularly. You will use something like this. It doesn't have to be exactly this. You can get this exact thing on Amazon, I think $11, $12 plus shipping. So something similar to this. We like this because it's lanolin based. It's a natural lubricant. It works well. So the first place that you need to lubricate is this right here. And that smell reminds me of when I worked on the sheep farm. That will lubricate in here, and that's very important to get in those cracks so that this is lubricated with that. The second place that you need to get is right where the cam meets the bar on both sides. Lubricates all the way around. You also want to lubricate in here and on the outsides so that that all stays smooth and working nice. You also want to lubricate the drive shaft. Go down through, get it all the way around. And then you also need to lubricate down below here. So that it is all lubricated all the way around, and that will keep your Handyman working smooth. You can use a paper towel and wipe off the excess. Keep things from being too sloppy. And that is all the maintenance that your Handyman should need. I'm Marlon from the Strap Warehouse, and remember, better is possible.